you have tried, please match the answer. And then at last I will show you today's puzzle. Huh? And that is also a little bit hard. No, that's why I will give, I guess, 2 days will be okay. That will be enough. For next puzzle also I will give 2 days. But hope in that 2 days at least you will try.
मैम एग्जाम में तो खाली 2 याने एग्जाम में चैप्टर 2 याने का है ना चैप्टर 1 एंड
Huh, 1 and 2, yes. That is syllabus. And even paper style, I don't.
full fair book.
No, I mean, see, in a fair book, how much I told you, to write. Like in chapter 1, I told you to write till exercise 1D. And in chapter 2, we have completed 2B. And now we will do 2C. So only that much. Okay? Okay? Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
And did you get paper style? I already explained paper style also.
I
Match the following, then MCQ, then solve the following, everything. Right?
yes, ma'am.
So now we are doing this today. First I'm taking oral test as usual. Okay, which price is more, so what you will get that one. So that's why I'm just first showing that, and then I will take oral test of formula also and everything. So just revise this, that which price is more, so what we will get. This example also I have explained of this Bimla, if you remember, right? This example also I have explained you of this Bimla. So just revise that whenever she sells the bag and basket. Do you remember what she was making and she was selling in this example, this Bimla?
Bags and bags. I was making a bag.
Bags and basket, right? And she was selling that bag. Yes. So all the girls just revise this so that I can take oral test. Did you revise? Shall I change?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. And other girls?
Done. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. And then learn the formulas also. I'm showing that. These formulas. These I guess so many times I've taken oral test of this. But again learn this. And after you finish, just tell me. Revise these formulas.
I have one assignment. I done. Ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Okay. And what about other girls?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, done.
Fatima Mahdi.
What?
Done.
Okay. Very good. Okay, write in the chat box only if you have done so that I can just count the name because I'm sitting in computer lab so I can see the chat box. So I can see the names. Okay, Bajaj Fatima has written, then Saima, and then Inchi. That many girls have revised this, okay? Other girls, you also please revise and learn. Without this, you will not understand any other concept, please. Okay, Vakil Nahia also, very good Nahia. Deria Khadija also, very good. I'm giving 2 minutes, just revise this. I have already explained this in that example of Bimla also, and in exercise 2A and 2B also, right? Okay, whenever post price is more, so obviously we get the loss. And what is the formula also for that? Okay, Sheikh Aisha is written, Gabra is Zainab, Keshwani Fatima.
Ma'am, I had written.
Okay, then Maria Mundal, then Balkani Kader. Okay, very good everyone. Those who
Kesha
have
and
learned.
Fatima.
Okay. Other girls now last 1 minute. Then I will start taking oral
Ma'am,
test.
Insia Bohara.
Okay, good.
I'm Hasna.
Okay, now let me take oral test. Insha, you can tell me about loss. When we get the loss, which price is more and what is the formula?
Okay, ma'am. When cost price is more, we get loss. We have loss, and the formula is 1 minute, ma'am.
Whichever is more, no, that only. That will be first.
Ma'am, my
Which is more?
SP minus CP. CP
Loss is.
minus SP.
Exactly. I said no, whichever is more, that will be. Okay, so CP, yes. So the answer is right. Loss equals to CP minus SP and CP is more. Okay, good. Now next student will tell me about the profit. So next is Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan. Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan.
What, ma'am?
You
Yes.
tell me about a profit.
Uh, Profit, selling price.
If selling price is more, so we get the profit. Okay. And what is the
Yes.
formula?
SP.
SP minus.
SP minus CP.
Okay, good. Your answer is right. So here you can just revise all the words. When we get the profit when SP is more and SP minus CP. Okay, good. Now next student will only tell me about this one. So next, Maloch Miza. Maloch Miza.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me about this. When SP is more, what we get, and when CP is more, what we get.
When SP is more, we will got loss, and when SP was that, we will got profit, and when CP was there, we will got loss.
Okay, good. And how many girls have tried this? I told you to try last one. This we had done at last.
ma'am,
Sign.
Yes.
ma'am, Insia Bohara.
My
Very
Keshwani
good.
Fatima. Sign.
Ma'am, Insia Bohara.
Right.
Okay, I guess Qureshi Fatima said, right? Qureshi Fatima, very good. And,
My Keshwani Fatima. Maybe.
uh, okay, very
My
good
answer is right,
question.
Fatima Bohara.
Okay, those who have tried, very good.
You give number E in Hamburg.
हाँ. So those who have tried, please match the answer.
And my answer is right, Fatima Bahaja.
Very good.
Answer is 100% Fatima Mehdi Hassan. My
Very good.
my answer is Rashid.
My answer is right, Ilsia Bahara.
Very good.
Ma'am,
What
my
about
answer
other
is
girls?
right. I have tried sign.
Okay. And say your name also.
Ma'am, my
Whenever
answer
you
is
say.
right, but it's Nisa.
Okay, Baloch Mirza. Because sometimes I can't identify the voice. Huh? Who is speaking that way? So say your name also. I guess
Saima Hasman, my answer are right.
Asmani Saika. Okay. And 5 to 6 girls only told me. What about the other girls?
Answer is right, Insia Fatima.
Insia Fatima, that Bojani, eh?
Yes.
And some students even say your surnames also. Because it creates so much confusion when you only say the names. What about other girls? Okay, so other girls you will get a problem in exam because you are not even learning, you are not even trying, nothing you are doing. Okay, now I'm explaining the next concept, which is exercise 2C. So those who want to write this, write your name in the chat box. And today I can see the chat box, so nobody will be the captain. I will be only the captain. Okay? Okay, Saima, you can read the heading.
Okay. Question. Find the selling price or cost price of each of these products with the help of model.
Okay, good. So here all the students you can see what we have find out profit and loss. Do you remember in exercise 2B we found just profit and loss only? Remember or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
In exercise 2B what we were finding? Who will say?
Profit and loss.
What?
Profit and loss.
Yes. Then other girls, or shall I show that exercise 2B again so that you can remember? Very bad, huh? See, this is exercise 2B, and here we have to decide, means we have to find profit and loss.
Ma'am,
Everywhere, find out profit or loss. Yes. Yes. Yes, say.
ma'am, we can we do 2D.
No, 2D you don't have to do. That's why I just send a PDF to till 2C, right? And who asked me this question? Name? Who asked me?
Ma'am, I don't ask. I am telling that we can move to 2D exercise 2D.
No, 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 don't do that. And inside my voice is clear because I'm sitting in computer lab and even today weather is also rainy, no? So I guess maybe my voice is not proper. So just tell me, is this proper or not?
Is it
But yes,
What?
ma'am.
It's slow or breaking or what? Inchia, Bora.
Ma'am, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
I know. And what about the other girls?
Ma'am, it's perfect.
It's perfect.
No, ma'am, your voice is not breaking.
Ma'am, profit.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is wrong. Your voice is clear.
Profit.
But it's like every day, no? Because students sitting in
Yes,
computer
yes,
labs,
sir.
that's
That's what
why.
I was saying.
And every day, okay. And every day I sit at some peaceful place. And even today weather is also like this. So I thought maybe it's not clear. That's why you're not giving answer. Because very less students are giving answer. Huh? Okay, now you remember, no? In exercise 2B, what we were finding. That's why I've explained profit and loss, that concept. So now in 2C, what we have to find? What is written in the heading? What we have to find? Profit or loss? Or something else? What we have to find? What is written in the heading? What we have to find?
Loss.
And what is written in the heading? What we have to find?
What, ma'am?
In this exercise 2C, what we have to find in this one?
Loss.
Selling price and
Selling
cost
Yes,
price.
price.
yes, yes. Okay,
Yes,
good.
selling.
Okay, very good. Means those who are giving the right answer, they are attentive. And what about other girls? Because of rainy weather, we are sleeping or enjoying.
Selling price.
Okay. Other girls, at least tell me in which activity you are busy.
Selling price.
I know because of this weather, maybe you don't have mood or something. So understood the difference between 2B and 2C. 2B was about profit and loss, finding that, and this one is about finding SP and CP. Okay, that's why we have to see, observe the questions. So here you can see four products are given. One is pot. Then what is the second product? Even heading and picture both are given, but then also I'm asking. Who will say what is the second product? Stool. And then what is the third product? Say together if you know. Third product. कौन सी तीसरी चीज दी है? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Say. Third
Shawl,
product is what? See, first two products I have underlined. One is pot. This is picture of pot.
shawl
This
from
this is stool. So this is picture of.
Ma'am, can I see the
Nagaland.
answer?
I said no. You all can say together.
From Nagaland.
That is
Hey,
true.
that is from. See, this is
Five
west.
plus eight is not possible. So we have to
Arey, wait,
put
wait, wait, wait.
one.
Wait. What is my question? I guess you are not understanding the question. Question is यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर दिए हैं वो कोई प्रोडक्ट के पिक्चर है मतलब कोई चीज के है तो कौन सी चीज के बारे में बोल रहे हैं लाइक हियर सी पॉट तो वेस्ट बंगाल का पॉट स्टूल तो पंजाब का ओके एंड नाउ दिस इज विच पिक्चर इवन नेम इज
Shawl.
रॉट हाँ
Shawl.
someone said what
Shawl.
is
Shawl.
shawl yes it's shawl okay
Shovel.
then D
Kajibaram.
then
Shawl. Kanjivaram. Nagaland. Shawl from Nagaland. Kanjivaram.
Number D, that is Kajibiram.
Kanjivaram. Kanjivaram sari from
From
it
Tamil Nadu. Yes.
Kanjivaram sari from Tamil Nadu.
and this one no that is a design and type of name of sari means they give the names to sari and dresses also no Like there are so many names of dresses like
Yes.
anarkali and this and that, right?
Yes.
So that way there is a name of this sari also. That's why Kanjivaram that is written. So actually you can see the picture also, right? That's why they have given picture also. You can easily know कि भाई कौन सा product है, right? So understood no which products are given
Yes,
here.
ma'am. Yes.
हाँ. So now I'm just telling you to observe. So this is the first one which is pot.
We have to find your solution.
Now this information is given. Here this information is given in this B. This information is given. So now just observe after 1 or 2 minutes I will ask to anyone, not from the chat box but from ID because I can see the ID. So okay, what is given means which information, which price, what is given and what we have to find also. Means mostly wherever question mark is given that you have to find, right? So just observe everyone. Just observe and then write your name. Let me see that who observed and who knows. Okay, which information is given means which price is given in A and B and what you have to find. Okay, Simon knows. Okay, very good, Simon. Okay, Visa also. Very good, Visa. Then Keshwani Fatima Mendes and you also. Okay, I guess I have given enough time. So, Malkani Fatima, you tell me in first question which information is given and what we have to find.
315.
That is which price? 315. That is which price?
38.
And 38 is what?
Answer.
Which price is that? That is law. 38. And 315, that is which price?
Answer. मैम आंसर 8 को बोरो करने का.
See, right now we don't have to discuss that, okay, what we will do, subtraction or what. But we are just, I'm just telling you to observe this one, okay? That which price is given. No problem, mute your mic. Now next name, guess why Fatima Mehndi Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me that here which price is given and what we have to find.
Ma'am, we have to find selling price. Then we have to subtract that
हाँ,
315 में से हमको है ना 38 subtract.
that we will discuss afterward. That why we are subtracting. But first question is that you have to observe, okay, what is given and what is not given. Okay, that way.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now next name, Bajaj Fatima. You tell me in this question B, what we have to find and what is given.
We have to find cost price and selling price is given.
Selling price is given and even loss is given, and we have to find cost price. Okay. Now next name, Keshwari Fatima Muhammad Taqi, means Keshwari Fatima Zahra.
Yes.
You tell me in this question 3 which information is given and what we have to find.
Selling price is 1560 and loss is 350. So total loss is
So what we have to find here? What is not given means where somewhere question mark is given.
मीन्स व्हाट उसने कितने का बेचा वो नहीं दिया है.
नहीं बेचा that is given. See selling price, right? Selling price is
कितने
given
का
and
लिया
define.
I think.
Exactly. That is not given. Means cost price. Okay, good. Very good. Now next name. Asmani Sama, you can say.
हमें cost price
In this D, what is given and what is not given? What we have to find?
is given 7,880 and is given 5,000.
And try to speak loudly because as today I'm sitting here, no computer lab, so I can't hear you properly.
Cost price is given 7,000 and profit is given 1,090. So we are in selling.
Yes. So in all the questions, in all four questions, you can clearly say that two things are given. You have to find third one. Means whether you have to find selling price, whether you have to find cost price, but two things are given. Then only you can find the third thing. Okay. So I'm just giving the example to you, and then I'm showing the formulas. Now these are the new formulas. So now these are the new formulas to find cost price and selling price.
What, ma'am?
I'm first explaining, then you have to learn, okay? Because these are new formulas, not the same that formula. In that exercise 2 you are using that formula, no, that to find profit and loss. But here we have to find cost price and selling price. So these are new formulas, okay? So I'm explaining. First, I'm explaining this one.
Hmm.
This one. So I'm just giving the example to you. Suppose I'm buying and selling pens, okay? And suppose I'm selling that pen at 15 rupees, and I'm not telling you that what was cost price. मतलब actually मैंने वो पेन कितने में खरीदी वो मैं तुम लोग को नहीं बता रही हूँ, but सिर्फ just I'm saying you that I'm selling that pen at 15 rupees, okay? And I'm even telling you that I got a profit of 3 rupees. अब मैंने ये बेची ना उसमें मुझे 3 रुपए का फायदा हुआ. तो एक्चुअली वो पेन मैंने कितने में ली होगी तो मुझे इतना फायदा हुआ. That you
12 rupees.
right now I'm not telling you that your answer is right or wrong. Okay, so you can just tell me the answer, your answer with your name. So just now who gave that answer?
Ma'am, in
Okay.
12.
Okay, Inshia said that 12. Okay. Then what about
Keshwari
other
started.
students? So other students, what is your answer? What do you think? कि मैंने तुमको ऐसा बोला कि मैंने ये पेन 15 में दी है तुम लोग को, और मैंने जब वो बेची ना तुम्हें 15 रुपए में तो मुझे 3 रुपए का फायदा हुआ. तो एक्चुअली मैंने वो कितने में ली होगी तो मुझे 3 रुपए का फायदा हुआ. It's very simple example.
12.
Inchia is right, okay. That 12 rupees. जो पेन 12 रुपए की होगी
12.
और
Take
मुझे
and
तीन.
say 12.
Okay. So what we Inchia, what you did? You just subtracted, no? SP minus profit. Then you got 12, no? You
Yes,
subtracted
ma'am.
profit from that, no? Then only you got.
Yes, ma'am.
So Inchia, you are right. That to find cost price when profit is given, we just have to subtract. Okay, that's why here subtraction sign is given. So first formula is clear, no everyone? First formula, we got this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me explain the second formula. So this second formula, I'm giving example for this also. Now I'm doing the same. I'm buying and selling pen. Okay. Now suppose I'm selling the pen at 8 rupees and I got loss of 2 rupees. So it means the what was the original price of that पेन के भाई मुझे दो का नुकसान हो गया मैंने 8 रुपए में बेच दी तब यू कैन से विथ योर नेम योर आंसर आई एम सेलिंग द पेन like suppose I'm selling to Inchia Bora, okay, she bought from me. I sold that pen to Inchia. So Inchia gave me 8 rupees. She gave me, okay. अब मैंने उसको इंचिया को 8 रुपए में बेचा मुझे 2 रुपए का नुकसान हुआ तो एक्चुअली मैंने वो पेन कितने में खरीदी होगी
मैम मैम
यस
10 रुपीज बोरा
ओके एंड अदर गर्ल्स you think like business girls only no you are
मैम
you can
10
also
रुपीज मैम
okay
10
good
रुपीज
yeah
10
obviously if that pen is of 10 rupees if I'm selling at 8 then only I got 2 rupees loss that's why formula is like this that we have to add this two 8 plus 2 so 8 plus 2 what you will get
10
10
10
okay that's why here add addition sign okay that is second formula now third formula I'm explaining the third formula that suppose the same way I'm not telling you selling rice but I'm telling you that I got that pen at 12 rupees and I am selling that and because I'm selling that I got profit of 3 rupees तो एक्चुअली मैंने पेन वो खरीदी है 12 में 3 रुपए का फायदा तो मैंने कितने में बेची होगी तो मुझे 3 रुपए का फायदा हुआ
15 रुपीज
and your name you said 15 rupees
शेख अनीशा
right okay Anisha
मैम मैम इन इंस्टा 15
okay okay you all the girls are right those who said 15 rupees very good so to find out what we have to add this two that's why we are adding this two okay that was the third formula now fourth formula which is this one so in this also I'm giving the same example okay if cost price is 10 rupees and I got loss of 2 rupees. So it means I'm selling that pen at which price I got loss. कितने में मैंने
8
बेच दी तो मैं मुझे 2 रुपए का नुकसान हो गया हाँ who said that at 8
शेख अनीशा
very good
मैम
Anisha
आई
is
8
right okay very good
मैम इस
8 rupees
पेशा मैं भी हसन माय आंसर
that's
इज
right
8
10 minus 2 that's my loss
इंस्टा
okay
बोरा
so now just learn these formulas okay in the homework this is your homework to learn this formula okay this is your homework and even
ओके
write these formulas also
ओके
until you will not remember you can write that many times but compulsory learn these formulas okay
ओके